Hey everyone, my name is Srini and I manage and lead the engineering and accessibility efforts of Visa's design system team. The title I want to present on and represent the team is to move fast, get creative, and build bold, accessible products. The abstract of the title is how do you supercharge the development of delightful, bold products and experiences that are well designed, systematized, and accessible? How do you enable the developer to move fast and stay in flow amid myriad distractions and technical challenges? How do you manage to do all this without hiring, disrupting existing work, or asking for immediate financial investment? We manage to do all this by discovering the talent within, using existing tools, getting creative with the constraints, and pushing them to the max. Get ready to hear our story of creating value few knew they needed. So, what are the key takeaways from this speech, right? Get inspired to unify the DevX under an identity to ensure developer flow state inside VS Code and GitHub Copilot chat. Get key insights into the challenges, experiments, engagements, and iterations that we did. Understand how to bring design system, data visualization code libraries, accessibility compliance, design and content guidelines to the developer for building wonderful, holistic products for all. Learn how to forge a team under a shared vision in the enterprise, building valuable DevX products, engage users, roadmap the launch, and measure the results, all devoid of traditional funding processes. Here's our outline, right? Developers face time and focus challenges in building delightful experiences, requiring them to navigate various websites and tools efficiently. However, the rising expectations on productivity based on AI often overlooks the accuracy and relevance of generated content within the enterprise. We will discuss the importance of integrating enterprise knowledge into developers' workflows to maintain productivity and offer insights into building effective teams to achieve this goal. A developer's task of building a web application involves ensuring design, accessibility, security, and brand adherence. They require access to UI libraries, meaningful content, and compliance standards, alongside wikis, ticketing systems, and community support. However, the multitude of tools often leads to workflow disruptions and distractions. We introduced Navigator for VS Code to address this by integrating design system code libraries, compliance rules, and collaboration tools directly into the dev environment, thereby minimizing context switching and ensuring an increasing flow. Developers can install the Navigator VS Code extension from the internal website, which also provides comprehensive information about its features and benefits. The extension leverages chat functionalities, slash commands, and custom prefixes to facilitate seamless access to code and resources within VS Code. While the time-saving benefits are currently being benchmarked, Navigator promises to enhance DevX and productivity. The development of Navigator required a dedicated team with expertise in DevX and AI, challenging conventional funding processes. By identifying passionate developers across teams and securing leadership support, the team embarked on the journey to build value for the enterprise. Key learnings emphasized the importance of integrating code assets into preferred tools, fostering community support, and adapting to evolving platform changes. The team plans to enhance Navigator's capabilities through analytics and persona-based insights, aiming to empower developers with access to relevant assets and expertise. Audience engagement will include just light humor and interactive questions on the tools and struggles we all have within the enterprise. In conclusion, leveraging AI and API-driven tools like VS Code and GitHub Copilot Chat can significantly improve DevX and productivity in the enterprise. By investing here and fostering a collaborative ecosystem, organizations can drive meaningful change and achieve lasting impact. Why Navigator, right? Well, the origin comes from Nova, a star that is suddenly showing large increase in brightness. The relevance for our organization is just a lot of potential and value to deliver, and we want to shine brightly. And as an enterprise, we want to mature, and we want to keep discovering new opportunities and business areas. The vision is Navigator is a play on Navigator, helping our company, Visa, navigate into the future in space and time, discovering new opportunities and business areas, all with a sudden large increase in brightness of the design organization and becoming a creative company as much as a fintech company. Why Gator? You know, we love animals and alligators take a big bite of anything. So for us, the metaphor here is business impact in existing and new areas. Yeah, we want to have a big bite of an impact. That's mostly it. And to the whole identity part of it is we've created, a visual identity inspired by GitHub's very own Octocat. And, we've been referencing the Octodex and such. So we've created an identity for Navigator, kind of having a Navigator, in a spacesuit, looking up, with made with creative tools, hand drawn and then vectorized. So something every developer at Visa can rally around, look towards, and be hopeful for. Yeah, that's mostly it. Why we created an identity inside a bigger brand, just like GitHub's own Octocat.